Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Today, I have a real quick video on a package that I've been waiting for, and this is from McGrath, and I'm hoping that this is the package of the new collections that she just put out. So if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, please stay tuned. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, welcome back, and I hope you guys are doing great this week and the week is going swimmingly for you. For me, it's a little bit cold here, but it's okay. As you notice, I don't have any makeup on or anything like that. I'm just trying to finish the day, and I had a whole day of work with my day job, of course. And so all of a sudden, I heard a knock on the door, and my box is here. Although they said they're not going to send it until next week, it's here, which is very strange. Her shipping thing is just like very confusing. So I'm hoping it is what it is. And so I'm waiting for the new collection that she just put out with the limited edition palette and the pink container. And I know there's people out there that are not happy about the reintroduction of it because it was supposed to be limited edition, but I am very thankful to McGrath that she did release it again, because I did not have a chance to pick it up last time, and this time I did, and I'm very grateful because I am collecting her collection, especially the Mothership the Mothership collection. So yeah, so I'm very grateful. So without further ado, let's get this thing opened. And it's, I don't know about their packaging, because I'm hearing this thing going back and forth. I'm thinking, God, I don't think they do a good job packaging. Why are these things moving around? And, I'm really picky about how I package things. Even like when I'm sending things to people that won my giveaway, I try to ship it, really carefully. And so anyway, this tab just comes off. No need cutting here. It looks like they have it prepared for like if it needs to go back. You see how there's a tape there? Huh. So it does say McGrath Labs. And as you notice, this is like not very well packaged in here. I guess this is the invoice. And there's a couple of, sheets here. But it is very loose, just running around. You see? And so it does look like the collection. And I'm going to hope that everything survived okay. And I think if you guys been watching my channel, you do know that I do already own the Mothership 8, and I just wanted the pink container, and because I do collect her Mothership palettes. And so let me take a real quick look. It comes like this, and there were several pieces actually. She sold it as a collection, or you could buy piece by piece. I actually picked up the whole collection because at the end of it, it was cheaper. And plus, if you ordered it from her site, you got a 10% discount. So you didn't really pay full price for it. And so that was nice. And especially with, I think a lot of people gotten theirs a lot sooner from ordering from Sephora, but you didn't get the discount. And so I just said, I'm going to be patient. I'm going to buy the whole collection. It was already discounted largely. And then on top of that, there was 10%. So I gone ahead and did that. So anyway, let's just go ahead. And this is the Mothership palette. And here it is. And it looks like it's well covered. And here's the pink container. I'm not going to peel off the protective covering for this. Because like I said, I am collecting, and I do own this palette already, which is the black lacquer. But this is the rose gold colored top here. And let's see. Beautiful. Yeah. There you go. Here is the color inside. And I do use the one I have. And when I first got it, I used it a lot. And but I'm really careful on how I'm going to use it. So, because I'm afraid to ruin it. But now that I have this which probably will not get used, and it will stay in its box as part of my collection, and the other one now can be abused. Okay, so that's that piece of it. And then, like I said, what you're going to see is the complete collection, everything that came out with this collection, and this collection is called the Divine Rose collection. And you know, this is the second part of Divine Rose because this is number 8, and number 7 is also which was the first palette, which is in my collection already. Okay, and this is something here. This is new as well, and this is, I think, is going to be the core collection. This is not limited edition, I don't believe, and it's actually there's another one called Risque Rose that I picked up as part of our other quad, but this is not the same. They're definitely different. And this one is called Divine Rose Luxe Quad Eternal Eden. Okay, and let's see, and I'm going to go ahead and make a look using this real soon because I'm really interested in using this because I love the Risque Rose one. And so yeah, and I love the color story. It comes like this. Of course, this is her hard case, and this is actually the same color as my other non-special edition one, and these color story is so beautiful. Look at this. This is, yep, it kind of reminds me of the Risque Rose, but it's a little bit different. Yeah, and this is called Eternal Eden. So definitely I will be using this and seeing, you know, doing a comparison with it. And today I'm just going to do this real quick, just show you what's in here, and then the try on and swatching I can do on another day. Okay, and so I'm trying these short videos, except for mine never end up being short. You know, it's supposed to be like 5 minutes and it ends up being 15, so sorry. Okay, and this one here is the, you know, talk of the town. This is the if anybody's picking up just nothing from her collection, they're picking up this one piece, and it is her highlighter. Here it is. It comes in this nice rose colored container, and oh God, so gorgeous. Look at this. There's a beautiful mirror, and look at this. I mean, this is such a beautiful highlighter. And yeah, and I think this is, I'm done with the highlighters, and I definitely need to enter the no buy for highlighters. I mean, and I'm happy because this is what I've been waiting for. Okay, and let's see what else is in this collection. Okay, and the next piece here is the Lizzie, what is it called? Ultra Lip Pencil. Okay. And I'm sorry about that. It's really, really hard to read because of the glare and everything. All of the writing she has is gold, so it's like catching the light. And you know, all of her lip pencils, eye pencils come with their own individual pencil sharpener. And let me see. It's actually has, so I have like tons of these because each of them come with their own, so you don't cross-contaminate the colors. I don't know. So that's that. And here is the color here. And this is like a nudie color. Okay, this is one of the pencils. I think there's more than one pencil in here, actually, to tell you the truth. I think it's 2 in the collection. Okay, this is the first one. And this one here, let's see. Oh, I didn't tell you the name of the color, did I? Okay, this one is called Black. Oh, this one is eyes. I'm sorry. This one is the eye, and this is called Black Coffee. And the lips ones that I just showed you, the color is, okay, wow, it's really shiny in here. It's Buff. It's called Buff. And this is the coffee one, and this is the eyes. Again, there is a sharpener in here as well. And this is kind of like the brown color, if you can see. Okay, dark brown. So, and I do have a couple of her pencils. I just, and I really like them, and they're easy to blend, so I really enjoy that. And I think this one here is the other lip, right? Yep, and this one is called, let's see, Suburbia. I can't see. Suburbia. And this one's probably going to be the brighter of the two. And it's still kind of like a, you know, a rosy color, a mauve, rosy mauve. So here it is. And so it came with 2 lips and an eye. And it does come with 2 lip glosses and a lipstick. Okay, here is the lipstick here. And this one is called the Matte Trance. And this is a matte lipstick. And I love her matte lipstick. And it just goes on so creamy for a matte. And this one is called Divine Rose. And let's see. And I love her, the container. I mean, look at it. It's got lips. And it's so classy. Okay, and here it is. It is a matte lipstick. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. And these, you know, the only ones I'm not using is the actual pink palette, the bigger one, because I already have one. But these, all of the lipsticks and things like that, I'm going to use. It's not just to collect. And here we go. And here's a lip gloss. I want to say lip glass all the time, like MAC. Okay, this is Divine Nude. And it looks, oh my, this is very pretty. Okay, this is Divine Nude. Okay, and this is her liquid lipstick. It's a little bit different from lip gloss. I'm sorry, I said lip gloss. And this one is Divine Rose. So Divine Nude and Divine Rose. So I'm going to say this is more pinky. Yep, there it is. Okay, and that's it for the collection. I just wanted to share it with you, what was in the collection. And if you add all this together, it's like $400 and something. But with the discounted price, it's down to $350 for the whole collection. And you got 10% off. And so, yeah. And that's that. And if you buy them piece by piece, it does end up being more expensive, especially if you can't wait and you go through like Sephora. You cannot buy it as a collection. The only way you can buy it as a collection is through Pat McGrath, even though her shipping is just like really crazy, you know? So yeah, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any question, please put it below. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe and ring that bell so you know every time I upload a new video. So my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much for spending your time with me. And remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.